Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs, a culinary skill that elevates any breakfast. We'll start by selecting the freshest eggs possible, as this significantly impacts the final texture and appearance. Next, we'll strain each egg through a fine mesh sieve to remove any watery, excess whites, ensuring a beautifully compact shape. Finally, we'll prepare our poaching liquid, bringing a large pot of water to a gentle simmer, and adding about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to help the egg whites set quickly. Now, let's create the perfect environment for our eggs. Using a large spoon, vigorously stir the simmering water in a circular motion to create a strong, consistent vortex. This swirling action is crucial for shaping the egg. Once the vortex is established, gently tip your strained egg directly into its center. The centrifugal force will encourage the egg white to wrap snugly around the yolk, resulting in that classic, elegant poached egg shape we all desire. Timing is everything when poaching eggs to achieve that ideal runny yolk. Allow your egg to cook in the gently swirling water for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. During this time, the egg whites will fully set, becoming opaque and firm, while the yolk inside remains wonderfully liquid and warm. For a slightly firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by about 30 seconds. Remember, a perfectly poached egg has a set white and a beautifully jiggly, golden yolk. Once your poached egg reaches its desired doneness, it's time for careful removal. Use a slotted spoon or a spider to gently lift the egg from the water, allowing any excess liquid to drain away. Transfer it directly onto a warm plate or your chosen dish. Poached eggs are incredibly versatile. They're fantastic on a piece of crispy toast, atop creamy avocado, or as the star of a classic Eggs Benedict. Enjoy your perfectly poached egg, a simple yet elegant culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.